Pain will put United back in the United back in the United back in the United States of America.
Ha 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 ha!